What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hand cut a quarter window. First thing you want to do is clean the outside surface so you have a clean surface to work with. I do want to mention real quick that if you are serious about this trade, I highly recommend you get a plotter. Knowing how to hand cut comes in handy, but not necessary honestly. After that, you want to mist the glass and take an old clear liner from a previous installation and lay it on the glass. Now take your hard card and push out the water to cement the clear liner to the glass. Also, I do not cut patterns on the car to avoid scratching the glass. No matter how good you are, accidents do happen. Using your finger as a guide, press into the corner and use your Sharpie to make an outline. You will want to repeat this step for all sides of the quarter window. This will be the outline to your pattern. The more accurate the pattern, the easier it will be to install. Mist your peel board and grab some film from your roll. If you do not have a peel board, you can always use the glass of the vehicle, but if this is something you will pursue for income as a side hustle or a main source of income, I highly recommend you get a peel board. I will link the one I got in the description down below. When placing your film on the glass, make sure it's with the liner side out. If not, your pattern will be backwards and it will not work. Take your clear liner with the drawn out pattern and place it on top of the film. I do want to mention that I never have to hand cut because of my plotter. A lot of the old school tinters will give you a hard time saying you are not a real tinter if you do not know how to hand cut. Do not listen to them. Even though I do know how to hand cut, I have not had to hand cut in over 3 years. The only thing that really matters is that you deliver quality work to your customers. The reason I moved the film around was to get a good angle on my straight edge. You want to be comfortable while cutting so the cuts come out nice and smooth. Squeegee out the water from behind the liner so you have a nice flat surface to work with. Now take your straight edge and line it up with your Sharpie line. I am using an aluminum ruler as my straight edge. You want to cut the pattern slightly bigger than your Sharpie lines. That way you do not have any light gaps when installed. Make sure you are using stainless steel blades so you do not scratch the glass, and always use your blade at a low angle. Try to keep it under 30 degrees. For curved or round edges, you will have to freehand it. You will get better at this over time. Just keep practicing. If you haven't already, if you could subscribe to my social media pages and Facebook group, I would really appreciate that. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Pull the liner off and remove the film. If done right, this should expose your pattern. I like to place my film to the side just in case I need to redo a pattern or use the extra film for the other side. As a bonus step, I like to trim off the corners. Makes it easier on install so the corners do not get stuck while trying to install the film. And that is how to hand cut a quarter window. Do yourself a favor, get a plotter and you'll never have to worry about doing this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and follow the course step by step.